All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, DoorDash Revolution. Get ready to hit you with another rack 'em up, stack 'em up episode. We got another food review. We're gonna go over here and stand in front of the building here. Been a lot of people been bragging about this place here. We're gonna show you, so you can stop by and check out the place, ladies and gentlemen. Right here on 3rd. All right, next we're gonna show you the prices on the menu. All right, ladies and gentlemen, get up close and see the prices. That's the size of the burger they're showing right there. And right there. Yes, indeed. Now we're going to hit you with this meal that we get ready to eat as we do this food review. Going back to the car right now. All right. Let me open up, get in. I did the first episode. We're going to let you look at this here. You saw the combo. I got the triple. That you see this burger here. You tell I've been chowing down on it. All right. Good and buttery. Toasted. All right, let's do this. Let's do this one more time. Smash mouth style. Okay. It's average on my scale. They got the seasoned fries. In my opinion, a little too pricey for the hype, but a very decent burger here. So that is my review on Lot A Burger. I was expecting for it to be a little bit bigger. See you in the next video. Peace and take care.